Junior watching, I be on my. Junior watching, I be on my.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. So we're starting off by moisturizing the lips. You don't want to have chapped lips. If you watch SpongeBob, then you know where that's from. What episode is that from? Let me know down in the comments. But I use some Vaseline just to moisturize my lips. And then I'm going in with the Power Grip Primer for the outside of my face. And then for like under my eyes and my T-zone, I'm using Secure the Blur from One Size. If I'm talking too fast or you want to know like all the makeup items that I'm using in this video, everything will be listed down in the description box. So hit that up if you want like specific names and stuff. I'm trying to get better at making sure that I have that down in the description box when this video goes out. But if it's not there, give me a minute. But now I'm going in and I'm filling in my brows with the brow lift, instant brow lift from ELF. And I was actually happy with how my brows came out. My brows need to be shaped up, but I just haven't, you know, I haven't cared enough to just do it. But now I'm going in and using this concealer from NARS. I think it's in the color Chestnut, I believe. Like I said, check the description box if you want to know all the official details. But I'm using that color to kind of like color correct. So yeah, and I used way too much. I didn't know that, you know, it's my first time using a NARS concealer, so I know now a little bit goes a long way. But my makeup still turned out fire. Okay, speaking of NARS, I'm going in and I'm using their soft matte foundation in the color Marquises. I still don't know how to say the name of this foundation. I don't know, it's just spelled, it's a weird word. I don't know where it comes from. I don't know how to say it, but yeah, I'm going in with some foundation. And you know I look wild with all this concealer on underneath, but this foundation did an excellent job of actually covering all of that up. And yeah, I've really been English jazz. I've really been loving using this technique of where I like put my concealer, yeah, I almost dropped that, of putting my concealer under my foundation. But now I'm going in with a different concealer. This is the concealer from One Size, and I'm using this as my highlight shade for on top of my foundation. So putting it under my eye, my nose, forehead, above the lip, and my chin. This is a blush from Ilia Cosmetics, I believe, and it was a free gift for my birthday gift from Sephora, and I just was not a fan because it was not showing up like I wanted to. Like when I wear blush, I want you to see that I got blush on, okay? But I'm letting my concealer sit for a little bit, and now I'm going in and using this bronzer. This is from Makeup Geek. I'm a little heavy-handed, and you know, a little bit of this goes a long way. Why am I stuttering so much? But a little bit of this goes a long way, and as you can see, my left side, but it's the right side for y'all, it's very bold. I'm gonna fix that later in this video, don't worry about it. But now I'm going through and blending out my concealer. Blend it out very easily. Yeah, as you can see, I liked it. I was a little concerned because, you know, I like my under eyes to be bright, but I don't want them to be too bright, you know, because then you just start looking like, you know, let me not say that. But now I'm going through with some more of that same bronzer, and I'm adding it like over my forehead, and you know, I'm trying to blend this side out because, you know, it look like I got punched in the face. I'm not gonna hold you. But now I'm going in with this, yeah, like I said, I'm heavy-handed. But I'm going in with this blush. This is also from Makeup Geek. This is in the color Desire. Went in with that on top of that blush that I used from Ilia, because like I said, I want to see my blush. So I added it to the cheeks, and I also love adding blush to my nose because it's just very cute. Makes it look like I'm cold, but I'm not. And I was trying to decide which powder I wanted to use. I got the One Size setting powder, and then I also have the Huda Beauty one. I'll try the Huda Beauty at a different date. That one has more of like a yellow undertone, the one that I have. So I'm using this setting powder from One Size Beauty in the color Translucent. And y'all, when I tell you this blurred like my under eyes, that with the combination of that Secure the Blur primer, oh my gosh, I can see why this stuff keeps selling out. But now I'm going in and I'm using a clean fluffy brush to just dust away all of that excess. I know right now I'm kind of looking like a powder donut, but don't you worry, because we're gonna use that setting spray from One Size Beauty. This is also my first time using this. It's my first time using a lot of this stuff, but yeah, I did not know that my face, I did not know that this setting spray has such a strong fragrance. And my god, I went in with 2 doses of it and we're not looking as dusty anymore. I will say it did a great job of making my makeup last, but golly, that smell is no joke. Very pungent. I would very much advise if you use that to hold your breath. But I didn't feel like going in with false lashes. I still struggle with putting on false lashes to this day, and I've been wearing makeup for at least 10 years. But this is the Anti-Gravity Mascara from Milani. I'm just using this for my natural lashes. As you can see, my natural lashes are kind of giving right now. But lastly, I'm going in with this NYX Butter Gloss, and I don't know the name of the oh, it's right here in front of me. This is called Ginger Snap. So I'm going in with this, and you know, it's got a little bit of a tint to it, but it's a gloss, so it's perfect for like a everyday natural type of look, and it's easy to apply. Threw my hat on, started posing, thought that was it, forgot my highlighter, so I went in with this Kilowatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty. This is Moscow Mule in ginger something, check the description box. But this highlighter glides on like butter. I love it. But yeah, this is it for the makeup tutorial. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I said, everything will be listed down in the description box. Thank y'all for watching. Why am I stuttering? Good lord. Do me a favor and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Later, y'all.
What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying.